Transferring XRP may seem straightforward, but several common mistakes can lead to costly losses if not carefully avoided. First and foremost, always double-check the recipient address before initiating the transaction. XRP transactions are irreversible, and entering even a single incorrect character can result in sending funds to the wrong address, making recovery nearly impossible. This is especially critical when transferring to exchanges or custodial wallet that require both a wallet address and a destination tag. The destination tag functions as a unique identifier for a transaction, similar to a bank reference number. Failing to include it or entering an incorrect tag can result in funds being lost or severely delayed. Additionally, be mindful of network fees. While XRP typically has lower transaction fees compared to other cryptocurrency, setting the fee too low may result in delayed processing time. Conversely, excessively high fees are unnecessary and a waste of funds. It is advisable to confirm the recommended fee from the network at the time of the transaction to strike a balance between cost and speed. Another common mistake involves using exchange addresses as personal wallets. Exchange addresses can change without warning, and funds sent to old or inactive addresses may become unrecoverable. It is safer to use a dedicated XRP wallet that you control, ensuring that you always have access to your private keys and can verify the address independently. Before initiating any transfer, confirm the receiving platform supports XRP. Not all wallets and exchanges support XRP, and sending to an unsupported address could result in a permanent loss of funds. Additionally, always keep your wallet software up to date to prevent compatibility issue and enhance security. Implementing these precautions can significantly reduce the risk of errors and ensure safe and efficient XRP transactions.